Well, if treating my customers with courtesy and respect is old-fashioned, then by all means call me old-fashioned. OK then, Mr. Collins. Yep, see you later. Bye-bye. Ah, am I smoking today or what?
I think you are.
What, smoking?
Old-fashioned.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like it. It makes you, different. Barry, I want to thank you.
Thank me? What for?
For listening last night.
No, you don't have to do that.
No, I want to. You were so... oh, I don't know. You treated me with respect. My feelings and that.
Janine.
No, I don't know many men who'd have done that. I'm not so sure I deserve it. But thank you anyway. You really are special.
Hello.
Paul. What are you doing here?
Well, perhaps Mr. Truman's interested in getting his hands on some quality used merchandise.
Something like that.
So, have you seen anything you fancy?
Oh, well, now you come to mention it.
I'll look after Mr. Truman. Why don't we go outside?
Paul, you're in good hands there.
Cheers.
So, how comes you left so early this morning?
No reason.
Well, I didn't get a chance to say goodbye, did I? Eh?
Well, maybe I'll have to give you another opportunity.
Maybe you should.
Leave it with me. I'll see if I can get away later, yeah?
Right. Perhaps we can pick up where we left off.
You can count on it.